everyone, this is Nika, and today we are going to help you mix your favorite cocktails one episode at a time with Lotus Gin Room. What is more exciting than making your own cocktails at home? Let me introduce you to the Lotus Gin Room's cocktail project. Date night at home with your loved ones is indeed a more romantic and intimate setup that will make your partner swoon over you. That's why for this episode, we're gonna talk about setting up drinks for your date night at home. Let us welcome our favorite resident bartender, Mk.
Hi, I'm Mk, your man behind the bar.
So now we're gonna make the 3 cocktails for your date night. A classic martini, James Bond martini, and a Lychee martini. Alright?
Yes.
Start?
So, for your classic martini, meron tayong mga tinatanong muna bago natin i-serve sa guests. So, is your martini shaken or stirred?
Kuya, what is the difference between shaken and stirred martini?
So, for shaken, yung product niya is more on cloudy part. While yung stirred naman is more on a crystal clear lang. So yun yung pinagkaiba nila. Then, tatanong din namin kung lemon peel or olive skewered.
So it's about the preference of the customer. So
Yes.
for example, if they wanted lemon as their garnish.
Yes, for lemon, it will become more on citrus zest. While kapag olive naman is more on saltiness naman. And then, pwede rin minsan, depende sa taste preference ng guest, kung gin or vodka.
So it really depends on the customer.
Yes.
Alright.
Then, so let's start.
Yes, let's go.
So, for our classic martini, we are going to use 1:3 ratio. So, 15 ml of martini.
Kuya MK, is the martini a sweet kind of liquor?
Actually, this martini is more on dry, while the other version, the Rosso, that's the more on sweet side.
So the brand also differs the taste profile.
Yes.
Alright, okay.
So, let's use 15 ml.
So we take 15 ml.
By the way, yung sa martini gusto mong gawin, do you want it more on dirty or dry?
I want to try the dirty one.
Okay. So, for dirty, you are going to use olive brine.
Alright.
Put siguro mga 2 bar spoon.
2 bar spoons.
Yep.
So I take the bar spoon
Yep.
and then I just take
Get
2
the-
scoops, right?
Yep. Yan.
1 and 2. Perfect.
Yan. To make it more on salty side, more on
Yes.
dirty part.
So it's gonna give that olive flavor.
Yes. Sa akin naman, I want it more on extra dry. So that's why I use extra dry martini. Then yung sa'yo naman is regular dry martini.
Alright.
Yes. Next, let's go with a gin.
Gin.
So we are going to use beefeater. So,
So
45
we're gonna
ml.
take 45 ml.
Yes.
I feel like this is gonna be strong. Oops.
Oh.
Okay. There you
So
go.
next, let's put some
Let's put
ice.
some ice.
Yes. There you
So
go.
how many ice cubes do you recommend for the martini?
Okay, for stirring, ano lang, sakto lang mapuno mo lang yung mixing glass. Then importantly is yung glass mo is chilled.
Okay.
Okay,
That's enough?
that's enough.
Perfect.
Then,
And then you
let's
take
go
the
for
part.
stirring.
And then we stir.
Yes.
Kuya MK,
No.
why is this part super important?
So, kailangan proper kasi yung ano niya, temperature. Para pag sinerve mo siya sa guest, nandun pa rin yung tamang flavor niya.
And it's, yeah, so
Yeah.
it's gonna be cold as well, right? Alright. And then we
And then-
take our strainer.
Yes, strain it. Then,
We pour it in the glass.
oh, sorry. Then, pour.
Ooh, this looks so good.
Yes. So, yan yung result if you're going to make a stirred one. So, crystal clear, no bubbles, no aeration. So, next,
Alright. And then,
for
garnish?
you, garnish it with 3 olives. And ako naman, I'll go with lemon peel.
So I'll just take the olive and then
Drop it.
just drop it like
Yes.
this. Perfect.
There you go. Sa akin naman, more on...
So you're gonna line it
Yes,
the brim?
sa rim. Then, drop. And there you go, your classic martini. Cheers.
Okay, so the next cocktail we're gonna make is a James Bond martini. Kuya MK.
Okay, so for a James Bond martini, almost same lang nung classic martini na ginawa natin kanina. Pero,
Alright.
pinalitan lang natin yung base spirit natin
Okay.
ng vodka instead
Alright.
of gin.
Okay.
Okay. So,
So, Kuya MK, a little trivia. Why is it called a James Bond martini?
okay, tinawag siyang James Bond martini kasi ang gumawa ng concoction. Actually, hindi naman usual na concoction. Yung tinatawag natin kaninang shaken. So,
Oh, okay.
one of the movie of James Bond, pinagawa niya yung bartender ng shaken martini instead of stirred one. Okay?
So the difference between a classic martini and a James Bond martini is that it uses vodka and it is shaken, right?
Yes,
Perfect.
that's right.
Let's start.
Okay. So, let's start. Almost same.
Our part.
1:3 part. So, 1 part ng martini.
15 ml,
Yes,
right?
15 ml. Nice.
Perfect.
Next is your vodka.
Our vodka.
We're using Kettle One vodka for this one.
Kettle one, but any vodka is okay
Yes.
to use.
Depends on your taste preference pa rin naman eh. Then 45 ml. Pero always use, kung if you want to go with a James Bond martini, always use yung plain vodka lang.
Alright,
Hindi
so
yung
not flavor.
Not the flavor.
Perfect.
Next, ice.
So we fill it up with ice.
Yes. Full ice.
And then
Then,
we just...
shake.
Now let's shake.
Shake.
It's very cold.
Yes.
There
And
you go.
lastly,
Then we take our
strainer.
strainer.
Nice one, Nika. Natututo ka na.
Of
Gumagamit ka na
course.
gumawa ng cocktail. Okay. Then, strain it.
Oh, this looks so fancy.
So, as you see, yung kanina, yung ginawa natin is more on crystal clear.
Yes.
While yung shaken martini natin is more on cloudy part.
Mhm, I
So,
can see that.
nagkaroon siya ng aeration on that part. Okay.
Okay.
Lastly,
We take our garnish.
3 skewered of olives.
But what if they don't like olives too much? They can
Na,
go with a lemon slice or...
pwede naman.
Okay.
So, depende pa rin sa taste preference mo kung ano yung gusto mong garnish. So, there you go. There's your James Bond martini.
So for our last cocktail, we're gonna make a lychee martini. Alright?
So, for this version ng Lychee Martini, ito yung more on a sweeter side ng
Alright.
martini. So, yung mga nauna is more on dry, more on citrus, and more on saltiness.
So if they want something sweeter and a sweeter side of martini, then they should order a lychee martini, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's do it.
So, let's start it with martini.
Take our
Dry.
martini.
Yes. 1 part also, so 15 ml.
So we take 15 ml of martini.
Yes. Okay. There you go.
Go.
Next is our Kettle One vodka. 45 ml.
45 ml.
Yeah.
Mainly for lychee martini, do they use vodka or gin?
Actually, it depends also in your taste preference pa rin. So, kung gusto mong gumawa ng lychee martini na gin, pwede naman. Sometimes nga, pwede mong gumamit ng more if you're going na rum.
Oh, you can use rum as well.
Yes, pwede
Okay.
rin.
Okay.
Last,
And then
is
we
the
take
lychee
our
syrup.
Lychee syrup.
So,
can you adjust it with how much sweetness you want your martini to be?
yes.
Okay.
So, actually, pwede ka rin gumamit ng lychee juice
Alright.
kung gusto mo. Kung medyo gusto mo hindi ganun katamis. But as of now, we are going to use lychee syrup. So 10 ml.
10 ml. So we take 10 ml.
There you go. Para magkaroon lang ng balance ng sweet, saltiness, and the fruity flavor yung lychee martini natin. And
then we take ice.
Let's do the shake.
Shake.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And lastly, strain.
We take our strainer.
And pour over the glass.
There you go.
Nice.
I can see that it has a more cloudy.
Yes, more on cloudy texture.
Perfect.
Go. And lastly, garnish it with your
garnish, which is
lychee skewered.
lychee skewer. Perfect. Wow.
There you go.
So nice.
Yes. So there you have it, your lychee martini.
And there you have it, you guys. Isn't it easy and fun to make drinks for your drink night? Now let's cheers. Kuya Mk, I'm gonna try the lychee martini.
I'll go with a James Bond.
Let's go. Cheers. It's good. If you ever want to spice up your drinks for your date night, then this idea is perfect for you. Now you're never going to be clueless for your date nights. And with the cocktail project guiding you about it, we ensure you that making drinks will be fun and easy to learn. Again, this is Nika, your host.
And this is MK, your man behind the bar.
To follow us on our cocktail mixing journey, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on our YouTube and social media accounts. Click the bell button to be notified in our next episode. If you're in the metro, I do recommend you dropping by Lotus Gin Room's bar here in Kapitolyo, Pasig. See you guys in the next episode, and this is The Cocktail Project. If you guys are interested in buying any of these products, I do recommend you dropping by Philippine Bar Pro, which they're having a promo right now until May 2021. If you do purchase any of these products worth 5,000 pesos, you do get a 500 peso voucher.